Of course, the purpose of your cube is for every side to hold a certain graphic or a certain image. To demonstrate how every side can hold a certain graphic, I will use some social media icons. Double click in your project comp. It will open your image directory. For me, it's gonna be the icons directory. I will choose few icons. I'm just choosing colors. I have no preferences for any social media. And let's import these files. This is a normal import. These are PNG files. Import. Now I will go to the front, for example. This is the first one. I will choose one of the PNG files, drop it in the front, and center it. Then open scale, press S, and make it 80%, for example. I will repeat this for every single side, top, front, whatever sides we have. Of course, it will be interesting that you get your own images. You can also get your own movies, and you can get your own animations within every composition, and this is extremely powerful. So instead of putting a PNG image somewhere in one side, you can just create another animation on the side and it will look marvelous. But for the sake of the course and to make it simple, otherwise it will take too long, putting these images will do. The most important is that we notice the effect at the end, how the cube will look and how you can use it in your main compositions or your projects, or even sell it out on Enfanto. Okay, now I am on top side. I'm still doing it. I will take the Twitter, put it there, center it again. I think this is the last one, and we make it 80%. Let's go back to our main composition. Let's delete the position, the animation. We take our cube to the middle and we make it bigger. Notice it's still very sharp. Everything is sharp because of the pre-comp. And let's give it a RAM preview and see what is the final work. Not bad. We are coming still to add a light. Let's reduce the time to make it rotate faster. It's still very slow. Let's reduce the time again. Cool. So you see how easy now it is to manipulate it anywhere. Now you have a fantastic cube rotating with 4 different sides with image, including the top one. You could also put on the bottom one. Let's introduce some light here. That will be very interesting. We go to layer, new, light. And we are going to take, for example, a point light will do. 100% intensity, we will see. We have to position our light in a certain way that is, exactly what you want. Choose your light. Use the axis to move it. I'm sure you have become professional in that. And notice how the cube is changing according to the lighting. It can give you interesting effects here. I will increase the intensity and just position it in a certain way where it looks good. Let's run a RAM preview and see from the main comp. That's not bad, but I don't like it. They are disappearing too much, and the front side is really not, accentuated. You want it to hit harder. So we'll go back to the cube, choose your light, open it, increase intensity. I'm just doing random things here, okay? And then come to the light itself, go and put it, I want to put it just above. Let's choose, for example, 2 views. This view is not okay. Let's choose now 100% and go to maybe top view. Okay, now in the top view I can adjust it. If I put it just above, it's gonna really light the logo. Bring it nearer a bit. I think I got the effect, or further. Yes, that's okay. Let's run a RAM preview and see. Now that's much nicer. You see, it's like it's really lighting every logo that is coming in. I hope you like this. I hope you know how to use it now to create it. Your challenge is to create a rectangle, for example, a parallelepiped, if you can, or to create other shapes in 3D using the same method of pre-compositions and others.